Okay, I don't know why, I just feel like doing that right now. Get off me, okay. So we are about to do some homeworky. It is very windy outside, and I actually have like some flip cam like footage and stuff, but I left my flip cam in the car, so it didn't work. Yeah, I'm doing homework right now. Totally forgot that we have a quiz tomorrow over chapter 8, and I have not read anything. So, I must read and do record pages, and then type up a paper. That's something totally not related to. We're going to read the American pageant. I think it's over there out there. What's it about? America secedes from the Empire? Oh no! Bloodshed, Lexington, and Concord in April of 1775. Oh my gosh! This is crazy. Anyways, just a little quick snippet, what up, what up. I hope everybody had a good day. If you are living where I'm living, then you're probably happy because it's finally getting to be cold for a moment. You know what I've been singing all day? That Rebecca Black, This Is My Moment. I cannot get that out of my head. Nobody was singing it. Nobody was even talking about it. I just can't get it out of my head. It's really kind of weird. Oh my gosh, I'm getting kind of frustrated right now. Because I can't figure out where this is going. I need to eat. Ah! Yay! Okay, I'm gonna go do homework. Bye. Beep. Man, that's a total fail. I was trying to stop it at the same time. My mouse like way over here. Try again.